Guys, please check your audio. Guys, everyone, please check your audio. Everyone, please check your audio, guys. Everyone. File open. Class content, Spring. File open, class content, Spring. What is that? Real-time project 701. Mini project 01. Mini project 01 improvisations. Improvisations. Okay. Save this one. Improvisation. Tell me, guys. Soft coding of messages and working with constants. Coding of messages and working with constants. This is our requirement, guys. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about YML. Guys, are you there? No one is responding. No one is confirming. Super. Yeah. Yeah. Yesterday we discussed about basics of IML. What's the basic advantage of IML compared to a properties file? Two basic advantages. Number one, if keys are having multiple nodes and if they are repeating, in property file they will be repeated. We cannot avoid them their repetition. In YML we can avoid them repeating. Next, property file works only in Java. Tomorrow, if this code is moved to Ruby, Go, or other JVM-based languages, we cannot work with a property file. We cannot work with property file, right? Okay, but YML can be used anywhere. YML can be used anywhere. And compared to property file, YML improves the readability, guys. Readability. Okay, guys. YML completes the readability. Are you understanding my statement? Yeah. At the end of the session, I will check the projects. Don't worry. YML improves the readability. So that's why I decided to keep the messages in the YML file. So what is our today's topic, guys? Improvisation number one. Improvisation one. Improvisation one. Yes, guys. Tell me what is that? Collecting soft coding the messages. Soft coding the messages of the service class by collecting them. I think you know soft coding means what? By collecting them from YML file. YML file. By collecting them simply from YML file. Okay, now listen. What is the difference between hard coding and soft coding? In application.java. What Java? In application.java. Into A is equal to 10. Hard coding of messages. Hard coding the value. Into A is equal to, here I will put like this. scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Int A is equal to st dot next int. Soft coding the value. Yeah, tell me guys, am I typing the fixed value or time to time I'm changing the value? Am I typing the fixed value or time to time I'm changing the value? Time to time I'm changing the value. Are you getting my point, guys? This is called soft coding process or not? This is technically, literally called as soft coding process. I want reply, boss. Come on, everyone. Okay, guys. Next one. We can convert. We can convert dot properties file to dot YML file using Eclipse IDE wizard, or using online websites. In online websites also that option is there. In online websites also that option is there, right, boss? Okay. In online websites also that option is there. Okay. Fine. Okay, first of all, you see Eclipse ID option, guys. You see Eclipse ID option. Yeah. First of all, you see Eclipse ID option. I'm keeping all improvisations on the same thing, same project. Okay. So later, don't think that some my original project gone. No, I'm using same project for improvisations only, because in the companies also, okay, all we develop the same project with the best coding practices, right? So coding practices don't think that sir, you preserve the original, you take a copy of it, on the copy of it you go for improvisation. Don't expect that, guys. Okay. uh, this guys, whatever I'm teaching here, whatever I'm presenting here, I have gone through in my entire experience in different phases. I have gone to different practices, guys. In that one, best practice I'm taking and presenting to you. I worked for banking sector and financial sector. So their coding standards will be very strict, guys, compared to other domains of project development. So I'm trying to give those things to you people. I'm trying to give those things to you people, right? Okay, guys. There is an option, check it out. In the property file, there is an option, convert to YML file. Yes. Convert to YML file. The moment I said yes, automatically that option came now, boss. Happily, everything is converted into YML file. Happily, everything is converted into YML file. Is it not interesting, Babu? Is it not interesting? Come on. Super. Shall we? First option, using Eclipse ID. Using Eclipse ID. Tell me. Right click on application dot properties file. Properties file. What is that? Convert to dot YAML file, but gives dot YML file. But gives dot YML file. It is using Eclipse ID. What is the third part? Online boss. What is the online process we got? Okay. Using online process. Online website, guys. Using online website. In online website, bidirectional is possible. Bidirectional conversion is possible. conversion is possible. What do you mean by bidirectional conversion, guys? What do you mean by direct dot properties to YML and dot YML to dot properties? Dot properties to YML, dot YML to dot properties. Dot properties to YML, dot YML to dot properties. Is that clear, guys? Understood my statement? Here is using online website. Using online website. Okay. Using online website. There is a website called megado.com. This is wrong spell. Wrong spell. Other day also I did the same mistake. Megado. Single G double D. Megado.com. Yeah. So here we have a option, boss. We have a option. What is the option we got? Properties file to YML converter. Both are same, guys. YML to property, YML. Yeah, some test data also given. You'll enjoy like anything, guys. Some test data also given. Okay, all these are there na. Convert. Coming up, convert back. Coming up, convert back. Are you able to see it, guys? Life is easy. Life is easy. We can convert YML content to property file to YML file. So it's a bidirectional, guys. We can convert any form to any form, right, boss? Okay. Yeah, 1 minute. We use this one. So let it be. So now, what are the messages you don't want to hard code, sir, and how to collect them from YML file? That is your question. I know that. So first of all, go to service class, guys. Because luckily in our controller class, we don't have hard coded messages. Everything is we are collecting from service class nicely, right? Everything we are collecting from service class nicely, boss. So look at the service IMPL class. Yeah. Everywhere we are having hard-coded messages. Travel plan saved with ID value. Problem saving travel plan. Okay, plan ID is fine, boss. Plan ID is fine. But this message is what? This message is hard-coded one, na? This message is hard-coded one, right? Okay. Shall we start getting these messages from YML file? Yes. Okay, where is this? Application.yml. In this YML, what I'm going to do? Okay, something. This entire thing is what? Travel plan. Okay. Some common prefix I'm keeping, guys. Okay, let us assume this travel plan is happening. This entire message belongs to a service class of travel plan module, right? The travel plan module. Okay, what I do is plan colon mod colon plan module colon something. Some difference, guys. Plan colon module colon plan colon mod. That is the prefix, guys. Messages is the map variable. Array hash map variable name I'm assuming. Messages is the hash map variable. In YML, map messages, map element keys should be taken as nodes. Okay. Save success. Save success is the key. Save success is the key. Yeah. What is the message I want to place? Travel plan. travel plan is saved with ID value. This is the message. Save failure. Travel plan is not saved with ID value. Is not saved with ID value. All these are the keys, guys. Keys is equal to value. Okay, first we'll try for this. Once after successful that we'll improvise for other things also. We'll improvise for other things. Are you getting my point? Super. Okay. Yeah, this is the prefix, guys. Common prefix I am taking. Messages is the map variable name I am taking. These are the each element key value, element key value. Okay, now listen carefully. I'm taking a separate class. I'm taking separate class, guys. Success spell mistake. Let's correct it. Success. Happier? Okay, focus now. Yeah, I'm taking separate, guys. Separate one. Okay. What are the common things for the package? com.nt.commons, guys. com.nt.commons. Or since I'm going to take this op configuration properties as the config class, I will take config package name. com.nt.config. In that, please observe class analyzation later. First, see app config properties or app properties, anything you can take. App config properties, guys. App config. How to make this one as Spring Boot configuration class? At the rate configuration. Super. How to generate getter setter method dynamically at the rate data. What I'm doing here, private map. String comma, key is string, value is also string. Key is string, value is also string. I'm wantedly taking name message. I'm wantedly taking the name message. STRIH. Why, sir? Array, okay, now you after adding this line, you will understand. Okay, configuration property. Array for bulk injection. Bulk injection. Prefix is equal to plan, plan. What is that, guys? What is the prefix? Common one. Plan dot module. Plan dot module. Okay, now after this, you observe, you will understand. After seeing this, you observe this, you will understand. Messages. Okay, now listen. In application.yml, what is the prefix? Plan dot module. Plan dot module. Here colon is there, you have to keep dot only. That's kind. What is the variable name? Messages. It is matching a matching. So now what happens? Tell me, boss. Now what happens? Tell me. All the keys and values will be bind to this map collection automatically, and indirectly bulk injection we are trying to do. Indirectly bulk injection we are trying to do. What do you say, guys? Okay. If you are interested, you can say enable configuration properties. This is optional, guys. This is optional. Enable configuration properties is optional, guys. Okay, this is good. This is enough. Configuration properties is enough for bulk injection. So now tell me, guys, what happened? Now what happened? From the YML file, now all messages are with whom? All messages are with whom, guys? App configuration properties class, right? The two inside the Map collection property whose name is messages. Map collection properties whose name is messages, right, boss? But I want where? I want where? I want them in service class, right, boss? I want where? I want them in service class. So, I want where? I want them in service class. Are you listening my statement, boss? Yeah. Can I think about injecting in service class, guys? Can I seriously think about injecting in service class, guys? I want reply from you people. But in service class, are you interested in in service class? Are you interested in app config properties class object or this messages object? In service class, are you interested in app configuration properties object or it's a messages object? It's a messages object. See, I'm doing one small magic here. I'm doing one magic here. Everyone, please observe. Okay. Go for this. Public map, string comma string. String comma string messages. Public map, string comma string messages. Can I put @auto-wide on the top of it? Is it possible? Is there any spring bean whose name is map? Is there any spring bean whose name is map, guys? Is there any spring bean whose name is map? Such concept is there, guys? Is there any spring bean whose name is map? Such concept is there, guys? We need. Okay, listen. I'm going for injection only. Public travel management. Public travel management service IMPL. Here I am taking app configuration properties props. App configuration properties props. Tell me, guys, here I am writing @auto-wide. I'm asking to perform constructor-based object creation, guys. The service IMPL class object will be created by having app configuration properties class object as the argument. App properties class object as the argument, right? Okay. Yeah, listen, boss. Since you are taking this one as what? Normal spring bean to inject, here you can take it. Here you can also take component also. Not mandatory, you should take what? Configuration. Not mandatory, you should take configuration. Okay, let it be, boss. Okay, let it be @auto-wide. Here, already this is coming as a parameter of the method. So what I am going to do, check it out. Messages is equal to props.get messages. Yeah, this messages is a local variable, is this class level variable, guys. I'm initializing with props.get messages. And this messages need not to match with what? Any key of the YML file, any variable name you can take. But let me check whether it is coming really correct or not. System sysout messages colon plus messages. Messages colon plus messages, guys. Perfect. Messages colon plus messages. Okay, once we got it, so here, other day we have taken this one. Yeah. Once we got this, we can avoid hard coding, guys. We can avoid hard coding. Simply, I can say messages dot get key I have to pass. What is the key I have to pass? Okay, guys. Save success. Save success. This is the key. Tell me, guys. Here also. Done? Okay, here. What is the another variable I should pass? Messages dot get. Messages dot get save fail. Save failure. I hope you enjoyed, guys. The people who are having the little basics strong, they're able to understand this. The people who are having, come on, guys. Okay. The basic knowledge. Are you able to feel it? Let's test whether it's work or not. If not work, we'll change our logic. What is there in that? If not working, we will change our logic, boss. Be positive, my dears. Okay. Somebody say it may not work, sir. Okay, fine. Let's see. Run as Java application. Run as Java application. As of now, we have done for only for one message. Messages are injected with null. 1 minute. Our basic thought is disturbed here. Here, messages are injected with null. Why so? Travel plan management service. Why this message is injected with null? Is my props not injected? Is my props not injected, guys? Why props is not coming? Let me check. Sysout props dot toString. Anyhow, toString will be called automatically. Anyhow, toString will be called automatically. Wait a minute. Okay. ToString will be called automatically, guys. Why it is behaving like this? YML you put inside the node issue. Okay, I understood. Node issue. I think this plan should be there as a root node, guys. Okay, let me put this one as a separate root node. Separate root node. Yeah, it is having its own rootness. Yeah, it is having its own rootness. Okay, that's good. Indentation issue. Indentation issue. Now you observe. Now messages are coming. So save success travel plan is saved with ID value. Save failure is ID value. Is coming or not coming? Okay, boss. Yeah, once they are coming, we can continue this thought process. Or you want to run the program with Swagger? You want to test with the Swagger? I think not required. We can apply this thought for entire project. Or if you want, I will show. If you want, I will show for that also. Don't worry. Yeah, once a test by using Swagger, guys. Java application, and here messages are coming means definitely those messages can be used. Definitely those messages can be used wherever I want. All done, guys. Messages are coming, guys. Okay, go to this place. What is there? Should we go with full field injection? Shashi I want to, here task is not injecting class object. Task is injecting what? A property of the class. That's why I have gone for what? constructor injection to get the object. And on that I called what? Get messages to get the certain property value and to assign to the variable. Please use core Java. Please use core Java. Don't keep blind rules in your brain. Yeah. Okay, we'll go for no option. Register only we have to use. Register only we have to use. Try out. Try out. Yeah. Plan ID not required. Plan name SZ01 budget something description SZ 3 nights 2 days some dummy data guys. Category ID 1 create act 2 act 2. Click on execute. Click on execute. Look at the message what I have made. Message, same old message will come. Yeah. With ID value 1. Yeah, same old message, guys, but this is not hard-coded message. This we are collecting from properties file. Did you notice that, boss? Yeah. I think people are confusing themselves. What is happening here? What is happening here? Why line number 30 in service IMPL class was disconnected in the middle of discussion. No, you disconnected, boss. I have not disconnected. Line number 30, I'm just confirming whether messages are coming or not. Okay, if you don't write, you don't want to print, leave it. That is only for confirmation purpose. That is only for confirmation purpose. First of all, do you know constructor injection? Do you know constructor injection? Whatever parameter I passed, it will search for that spring bean, gets it and makes it as argument of the constructor. Yes. So this represents what? App config properties class object. Already that object is initialized with what? This message. This message collected from the YML file. This message is map collection. Collected from YML file. Super. Okay, now tell me, in my service class, I need app configuration properties class object in having global scope or it's message variable having global scope. It's message variable having global scope. I need app config properties class object having global scope in service class or it's message variable having global scope. Respond, worst fellows. To write one word also you are taking that much. It's message object data having global scope, right? It's message object data having global scope. Actually, a traditional programmer, how we will write? App Raja Ram Naidu, we need this class object or that class object maintained message variable data. Who is holding YML messages? This class object is holding or that class variable is holding? That class variable is holding. So we need this variable in service class or not? Yeah, I know you are expecting this kind of coding because so far you mugged up the code blindly. Props is equal to this dot props is equal to props, right? Here also you are expecting private app configuration properties props. Yes, but my question is when I don't need this one in the entire application, when I don't need this one in the entire application, why should I initialize? Already it is coming in the constructor scope as the argument. From that object, I need what? Message variable. I got the message variable. I'm initializing with the global variable. Why should I continue this? Is there any need, guys? No need. Those who mugged up constructor injection, they expect, whatever coming as argument should be initialized with the class level variable, should be initialized with the class level variable, right? Okay, and if you are out of class, I'm really helpless, boss. If you're still thinking app config properties class is a predefined class, I'm really helpless. You go, please jump into the dry race. I'm not responsible for that. It's a user-defined class, my dear. It's a user-defined class variable on which I have done bulk injection. On which I have done bulk injection, right? Okay. I hope, everyone understood the logic. Everyone understood the logic nicely now. Here, indentation problem has come, I solved it. This is one node. This is separate level. This is separate one. This is separate. Total three nodes are there. Three root nodes are there, guys. Suppose if you write like this, what happens? That becomes subnode of server node. Then what is the prefix one? Server dot plan dot module become prefix. But are we using such prefix? No. Are we using such prefix? No. That's the reason. Make sure that plan itself is a root node. Plan itself is a root node. Okay, guys. Yeah, wantedly I have given three spaces for separation. Okay. So shall we continue same concept for other messages? Shall we continue same concept for other messages? Go to travel service. Travel service management. Okay. Yeah, here what is there? Categories, no problem. Find all, no problem. Find all, no problem. Here also, okay. Enable configuration, you can write on the main class. You can write wherever you want, not a problem. Yeah, here, travel plan not found. One message is there, guys. What is there? Travel plan not found. Okay. This message I am hard coding. So better to get this message also from there. Okay. Tell me. Find by ID not found. Find by ID failure. Find by ID failure, boss. Find by ID failure. Otherwise, we'll maintain same uniformness. Okay, hyphen symbols we use only lowercase letters. Find by ID this one. Okay, travel plan not found. Travel for plan is not found. He is not found, guys. He is not found. Okay. This we added, we change. We added, we change. Okay, so that we don't forget anything, boss. Illegal argument exception. Here hard coded message, guys. Okay, hard coded message, guys. Message is dot. Come on. Yeah. Message is dot. Get. Message is dot get. Message is dot get. Yeah. What is the key, guys? What is the key we are having? Find by ID. Find by ID not found. Find by ID failure of failure. Find by ID failure. Okay. Come to this update travel plan. Okay. Update travel plan also same story. Travel plan not updated. Travel plan is not found. Travel plan is not found. Okay. Is not updated. That's better. Not found, not found for updation. Not found for updation. Not found for updation. Cool. Tell me, guys. Yeah, tell me, guys. What is this? Update success. Travel plan is not found. Travel plan is updated. Update failure. Travel plan is not found for updation. Is not found for updation. Clear, boss? Yes. Is not found for updation, guys. Here is the story. Here is the story. Yeah, here is my service class. Here, what is there, guys? Messages dot. What dot, guys? Messages dot get key. What is the key, guys? Messages dot get key. What is the key, anyone? Update iPhone success. Super. Messages dot get key. Messages dot get update iPhone failure. Update iPhone failure. End of the method. Yeah, same thing is applicable for travel plan deleted. Same thing is applicable for travel plan deleted. What do you say, guys? So shall I go for it now? Okay, come to this one, guys. Where is this? Application.yml. Okay, delete. Who will write seriously from scratch? Just change it. Yeah, same keys, you will get error. Say delete iPhone success, delete iPhone failure. Travel plan is deleted. Travel plan is not found for deletion. Travel plan is not found for deletion. Here is my app configuration properties, guys. Application.yml. Come on. App configuration properties. That's good. Go to service class. Go to service class. What happened? Service IMPL here. Service IMPL here. Tell me next one. Service IMPL here. Here is the story. Messages dot get. Messages dot get, guys. What is this? Delete iPhone success. Delete iPhone success. Yeah, here is what, guys. Message iPhone failure. Messages dot get. Delete iPhone failure. Delete iPhone failure. Okay, I think travel plan status changed, not status not changed. Okay, let's go for that one also very quickly. With this status change success. Status change success. Status change success. Travel plan status is changed. Status change failure, guys. What is that? Status change failure. Travel plan status is not changed. Status is not found. Is not found. Travel plan is not found for status change. For status change. Yeah. Status change success, status change fail. Perfect. Yeah. Return plan ID. Return plan ID. Come on, guys. Messages dot get. Return plan ID. Messages dot get. What is that, guys? Status change. Success. Status change success, guys. Okay, here is my status change failure. Status change failure. I hope you got it. 108 typing mistake, huh? 108 typing mistake. I think you got it, guys. Okay, like this, we can avoid hard coding of messages. Hard coding of messages, come on. Find by ID failure is gone wrong. Find by ID failure, where, guys? Find by ID failure. Find by ID failure, right, na boss? 1 minute. Application.yml. Find by ID failure, right? Find by ID failure. Yes. Find by ID failure. What's wrong, guys? In YML file, wrong. Okay. Not found. Yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. Okay. Remaining all are perfect. Okay. So now let me give this code for you people. Yeah, what is that? Improvisation. Number 1. Keep the messages in YML file. Keep the messages in YML file in application.yml file along with other messages. In application.yml file along with other messages. Yeah, other messages are there, guys. Okay. It's a separate node. Take separate root node for it along with other messages. Yeah. Someone is asking me, sir, give me soft copy of the project code, sir. Are you not feeling shame, guys? I'm giving paintbrush content. Can't you develop on your own? Can't you develop on your own? Or extra space? Huh? No, yeah, no, that's not a problem. We executed it. Huh? Okay. Achha, this one, huh? Okay, we'll take this one. Yeah, now it's gone. Now the problem is solved. While pasting also, we will show that difference. Huh? Okay. Yeah, I will give the feeling. I will give the feeling it's a separate node. No red mark means it's taking perfectly only. Okay, na? Right. Tell me, boss. Take this as the separate root node. Take this as the separate root node structure. Root node structure, guys. Okay. Kulika Bodupalli, Swagger UI, you can see the message, right? Okay. Actually, in Swagger, it is more easy, madam. I don't know why you are thinking like that. First, configure Swagger, madam. Then you say swagger-ui.html. If you try to open Paintbrush, if you read the procedures that I have given, you'll understand. Attitude issue. When you stuck up somewhere, it's a quite minimum thing to open the Paintbrush and seeing the procedure that I have given. Really great people you are, guys. Along with the screenshots I have given. Along with the screenshots I have given, right? Given or not given? Along with the three, given or not given? Fine. 1 minute, let me run and show the, I think already I executed once. In Swagger also it comes, madam. It's when you are getting Postman in Swagger also it comes. But only the thing is you should add proper jar files. You should add proper jar file and you should use proper URLs, right? Okay, let it be. Step number 2. Step number 2. Develop the app config properties class as the Spring main to inject the messages. To inject the messages to map collection property. Map type property. Okay. Hey, not compulsory you should take map, guys. Anything else you can take, but map is easy. So that I can maintain along with the keys and values, right? I can maintain along with the keys and values. Yeah, what is the class name? App config properties.java. Config properties.java. Config properties.java, guys. Super. Okay. App config properties.java. Yeah, now we should start using them in our application. Okay. Step number 3. Yeah. Get the messages to service IMPL class. Okay, class and replace the hard-coded messages. Replace the hard-coded messages. Replace the hard-coded messages. This is service, guys. This is service class we have got. Okay. Should I give entire class or? Okay. I'll give entire class because that constructor also bit different. Constructor logic also different, guys. From this time onwards, I always use. You should use because coding standards means not for one time. Every time you should use, my dear. Okay. Not one time. Coding standards are not for just one time. Coding standards are for every time. Yeah. Sir, you can give along with the first development only. Why are you teaching separately as improvisation? That time you will confuse. What is this? That's why first I concentrated on core logic. Then I'm putting time on improvisation. Then you'll understand importance of it. Next time onwards, next project onwards, along with the basic development only, you can include them. Along with the basic development only, we can include them. What do you say, guys? Yeah. This is important section, guys. I hope everyone understood my logic. I simplified the process. By going for constructor injection. Otherwise, unnecessarily injection, unnecessarily readings, boss. That I have avoided. That I have avoided, right? That I have seriously avoided, boss. Yeah, wherever I use it, I'll underline that. Success, failure. Done. Success, failure. Okay. Here is what. Yeah. Here, get category is not required. Find all not required. Okay. Here is the one. Here is the one. Oh, this is commented code. Don't worry. Commented code, we don't worry. But messages dot update success, failure success. Update success, failure success. Delete success, messages dot delete failure. Status change success, status change failure. Yeah, status change failure. I hope you enjoyed. Are we becoming close to real time? Tomorrow, if I want to change the message, do I need to touch the source code? Do I need to touch the source code? Someone wants to write message in his local language. Do I need to search source code? Okay, someone not liking our English sentence formation. Client wants to have different kind of messaging. So do we need to touch the source code? You're enjoying that facility or not, boss? Okay. Yeah, listen, guys. Yeah, very, very important announcement. Everyone listen carefully. Loosely coupling. Indirectly, we're achieving loose coupling. Yeah, this Saturday morning 7 a.m. session is not there. Okay, Saturday evening 8:45 a.m. Some common topics are there, guys. This Saturday, Sunday. This Saturday, Sunday common topics are there. How to interact with multiple database softwares. How to interact with multiple database softwares at a time using Spring Data JPA. That is a common topic I'm going to take. Okay, common topics, separate meeting ID is there, guys, for common topics. Okay, I will share with you. I will also keep in your Google Drive. Don't worry. I'll share and I will keep it. Okay, what is the timings, guys? Saturday 8:30, Saturday 8:30 p.m. Sunday 6 p.m. Saturday 8:30 p.m. Sunday 6 p.m. I think non-Indian time zone people, are you comfortable to attend? You have to adjust for one day. You have to adjust for 2 days, guys. I think US people will be happy. For them, it's morning hours, right? For them, it's morning hours, right? US people will be happy. Okay, US people are comfortable. Any other time zone people, one day you have to cooperate because it's a common topic for 2-3 batches. I cannot change the timings. Right. I cannot change the timings. You have to this one. Saturday 8:30 p.m. Sunday 6 p.m. I will give the IDs. I will give all the details. Everyone in the meeting. Yeah, please look at someone is confirming. Santanu Patnaik is confirming. Thanks, sir. In our company project, they are following this approach. But the service class improvisation, I enjoyed literally. Thanks for all the lessons. That's good. That's good. See, I said, no, someone is confirmed. Whatever I am presenting, it's a company standard, right? Whatever I am presenting, that is a company standard. Okay, boss. Okay, no problem. Yeah, one more improvisation, guys. Are you ready for one more improvisation? Listen carefully. What's the timing of common topic? Sunday 8:30, Saturday 8:30 p.m., Sunday 6 p.m. I will give all the details in the Google Drive, don't worry. In the Google Drive, I will give all the details. One of my friends also asked in interview as a full day task for selections or full day task. Yeah, that is nothing but mini project development. He might have got mini project. code operations based kind of thing. Okay. At the end, I will update that. Everyone, please come back. Improvisation number 2. Yeah. What is that? Array, taking string constant inside the business method is a great thought process. But these are string constants. Na? These are string constants. Yeah. You have to replace them with you have, because if you give this code to code, yeah, what tool? Code review tool. What is the code review tool we are going to use? Sonar Cube. It will say this is wrong, this is wrong, this is bad. You have to replace them with the constants. And I'm keeping my code ready for review, Ra Babu. That's why all these changes. That's why all these changes. Sir, in log messages, some log messages will be hard coded na, like this. And in log messages also you can collect from YML file. Okay, guys. Super. What is the improvisation? Improvisation 2. Improvisation 2. Okay. Taking string literals. String literals in the Java class, in the Java classes coding is bad practice. Okay. Replace them with the constants, with the constants, with the string constants. Yeah, when I say string constants, what they are, guys? Final static variables, right? Final static variables that are taken in separate class or interface or in separate class or interface or in. Understood? But one more thing, guys. Here, one small diagram I want to give. Yeah, whatever messages I stored into app config properties class, they can be used only in one class or in multiple classes. Okay, that's why please remember, let me put that. They are useful in multiple classes. This is my application.yml file. From there, I'm bringing them into what object? I'm bringing them into what object? App config properties class object. From there, I can write to whom, guys? Service IMPL class, controller class. Come on, guys. Controller class and other helper classes. I can inject wherever I want or not. Okay, guys. Tell me, guys, application.yml with messages. Here is my application.yml with messages. Okay, here what? Messages. Messages. We are storing it to where, guys? App configuration properties class object. App config properties class object. App configuration properties class object. Here is my messages object, guys. Messages map collection. Messages map collection. Yeah, this is my map collection. Okay, this to this. Service IMPL class object, REST controller class object, and other classes. Yes, boss. Service IMPL class object. REST controller class object. Super nice. And other objects, other classes. Other classes objects. Super boss. Yeah. Shall we get into the next improvisation? Improvisation number 2. Okay. Taking constant. Okay. No to what? Hard coding of messages is against of code review. Code review, right? Sai says Tinnuru, what is need of taking separate map? Worst fellow. When all messages are coming from same YML file. People don't use common sense. Source is important, destination is important. Sai Teja, tell me. Yeah, next one. Taking string literals, right? String literals. And if source is coming from single node, we have to store in single variable only, na? If source is coming from 10 nodes, you have to take 10 variables. Taking string literals in Java classes is against of code review. Standards. Code review standards, guys. Against of code review standards. Is against of code review standards. Okay, guys. Code only, Rabab. Code only. Yes. Super. Okay. So you have to take separate constants class, guys. Okay. Now come here. I'm taking one more package. New package. com.nt.constants. com.nt.constant. You can take interface and enum also. Okay. Inside that, come on. Class is equal to app constants or travel plan constants. Travel plan constants, guys. Travel plan constants. Okay. Right, boss. Sorry, they are what? They are going to be what? Public static final string. Are a constant variable generally will be in uppercase letters. Generally will be there in uppercase letters, boss. Okay. Generally will be there uppercase letter, save success. Save success. Listen, how to convert anything into uppercase? Control Shift I. What is that, guys? Control plus Shift plus I. Any letter, how to convert into uppercase? What is the shortcut key, guys? Success. Select this. Control plus Shift plus I. Not going. What happened? What is the shortcut key to make anything into uppercase? Control plus Shift plus I. Why it is not working? Okay. Save underscore success. We write in uppercase, guys. We write in uppercase. Yeah, what is the original content? What is the original key? I think original key is there in success class. What is the original key in save? Yaxa? Yeah, we'll change it. Travel plan management service. Okay, here. Save hyphen success. Save hyphen success. But I'm taking constant was save I underscore success, guys. Okay, here I'm writing save hyphen success. Save hyphen success. Okay, let's see the second one. Static final string. Static final string. Come on. Yeah, it should be public. Sorry. Because then all I can use outside the class. Yeah. string. Tell me. Save underscore failure. Okay, I will write in lowercase failure. Let me select this word. Control plus Shift plus X. Yeah. X, it is not I, it is X. Save hyphen failure. Save hyphen failure, guys. I think होशियार को इशारा काफी है. I think this can be used wherever I want. Like this, many things can be used. Yeah, update underscore success. Update hyphen success, guys. Update underscore failure. Update hyphen failure. I think these are the keys we have taken, boss. Delete underscore success. Delete hyphen success. Delete underscore failure. Delete hyphen failure. Copy this. Next. Yeah, tell me, guys. Status change success, right? Status. Status change success. Status change success. Tell me, guys. Status hyphen change hyphen success. Status change failure. Status change failure. Status change failure. Status change failure. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Come on. I think one more thing is there. Find by ID not found. Okay. Find by ID. Find by ID failure. Find by ID failure. Okay, find by ID failure, guys. Tell me, guys, what is this? Find by ID failure, guys. I think status change spell mistake, guys. No one noticed it. Come on, guys. You are not helping me. Find by ID fail. Find by ID fail. Okay. No, not that is not record not for Nilesh. You are totally out of sync, you know. You're totally out of sync. Oh, battery gone, huh? 1 minute, guys. Give me 1 minute. 1 minute time. Let me search where is my cable, boss. Cable is here. Yeah. Find by ID. It's iPhone symbol, guys. Okay, I think all spells are right. Everything is right. Okay. Yeah, this is travel plan constant. It's a public class. It's there in its own package. Now come to my service class, guys. Come to service class, guys. Okay. Life is very interesting, guys. Now tell me, here, what should I do? Save success, I have to write. But it is a string literal. I'm not taking string literal. Here, what should I do? Travel plan constants. Dot. What is there, guys? Save success. I think now it is looking like a predefined classes code, guys. While dealing with the predefined classes, we see this kind of constants a lot when you open the source code of any predefined class. Yeah, inspiration is that only, guys. Constants. Travel plan failure. What is there? Save failure. Save failure. Come on, guys. Convinced with me. Up to this clear. Are we going good? Yeah, here not required. Here not required. Here what is there? Messages dot get dot. Look like a real source code of predefined classes? Yes, boss. Okay, good observation. Travel plan docs. Sir, in regular class also you can teach all these things. Na? Time won't support, my dear. There we are. Concentration is our technology knowledge building, right? Okay, super. Yeah, here. Travel plan constants. Update success. Update success. Super. Here, what is this? Travel plan constants. Update failure. Travel plan constants. Delete success. Travel plan constants. Delete failure. Travel plan constants. Status change success. Travel plan constants. What is there, guys? Status change failure. I think all are taken perfectly here. We avoided string literals. Samar Pratap Singh, I cannot teach everything in technology classes, boss. Something I have to keep for project classes, right? He's expecting you are not teaching Spring and Spring Boot classes. There our knowledge is on what? Auto wiring, all these things, right? Here our focus is not on basics. Our focus is on improvisations. Our focus is on improvisations. Please. Right topic at right time I will teach. Yes. Do I need to run or not required? Okay, we'll run for one time, guys. On safe side, we'll run for one time. Sir, travel plan constant injection not happen in service class. Sonu Gupta, are you mental? It's a public class and variables are static variable. Do I need to inject the object? While working with the static variables, static public variables, do I need to go for injection? Come on, my dears. You are expecting explanation from me on this topic, you know. That says how poor you are, that shows how poor you are in basics. You are at this stage, you are asking explanation for this such a common sense concept. Okay. Swagger UI. Refresh. Swagger UI. Okay. Okay, once again, same data I will try to execute, guys. Message has come or not come. Message has come or not come. Yeah. ID value 1 is coming. You try to run for second time. You try to run for second time. Basic things, guys. Okay. USA, 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 USA. 10 nights, 10 nights, 11 days. Okay. Category 2. Click on execute. Click on execute. Saved with 2. That means all messages are coming, everything is coming. That means things are working properly. Things are really working properly. What do you say, guys? Okay, fine, boss. Can I give improvisation code? Step number 1. Yeah, any working guy is feeling these constants practically. So someone confirmed in my company we are going for YML messages instead of hard coded messages. Similarly, anyone found utilization of constants in your project? Sivakrishna Bullikonda is confirming. Santanu Patnaik is confirmed. Once again, he confirmed. Delhi Bob Reddy. Arey Delhi Bob Reddy, yesterday I asked you to show your project, you are not responded. Today you are responding. Dirty fellow. Brahmateja also confirming. Mr. Sandeep Kumar Kokane. My brother uses this in Infosys. Delhi Bob Reddy, yesterday I shouted his name. Show your code, show your code. Unmute your mic, not responded. Today saying that in my company also we are using. Try to be responsible, guys. Randomly I will check. Don't relax. Tomorrow I may check. Day after tomorrow I may check. Yes, guys. Step number 1. Prepare separate. Prepare separate constants class. Constants class. String constants class. Okay, guys. In mini project, few records values. Can we do like this in REST API? Wherever you take constants, you can do it. Wherever. Suppose all these things are there in REST API, you can do it. But accept request path. And again, I will murder you if you ask me, sir, request paths also don't hard code. No, you cannot change this. They are fixed. They are not going to change. No, no, don't say that these are string literals, sir. This is hard coding, I will replace them. Don't expect that. Don't expect that, please. Copy this. I know people will get great thoughts. That's why I'm cutting the thought in the beginning itself. What is that? Travel plan, constants, dot Java. Travel plan, constants, dot Java. Say paste. Constants.java, guys. Okay, next, Control E. 20,000. Okay, I think 20 is not required. 15,000. Yes. You can do in all classes, REST classes, anywhere you can do this. Service IMPL class. Service IMPL class, guys. Service IMPL class. Yes, here is my service IMPL one more time. Copy this, paste it. I hope you're enjoying the sessions, guys. I hope you are thoroughly enjoying the sessions. I know how to inject the subject, you leave it. Order of injecting subject, you leave it to me. But when I use the concept, are able to connect to the concept. Okay, no problem, Delhi Reddy, it happens sometimes. Okay. Yeah. This is success. This is fail. Yeah, here not there. Here, there. I hope you will do these two improvisation on the project. I think everyone has got success in the project, guys. Is there anyone who got failure in the project? If you are getting failure in the project, let me know. I'll try to arrange one session with the lab coordinator or myself to solve your problems in the project. Anyone looking for that? Anyone looking for that? Anyone looking for that service? Can I arrange that session tomorrow afternoon, 2 o'clock? And you can keep the messages in the group to get help from your friends. I also respond there. You can keep the messages in the group. Your Telegram group is there for that purpose only, right? Okay. I'll try to arrange one session, guys. I'll try to arrange one session. If possible, arrange on Saturday. Yeah, I'll try to arrange on Saturday itself then. I'll try to arrange on Saturday itself then. How many types of APIs are there? SOAP API, REST API. SOAP API, SOAP-based API, REST-based API. Or if you see, there is a lot of meanings for that question. Commercial API, private APIs. So open APIs, private APIs. Commercial API, free APIs. There's a different question. It can be interpreted in any angle. Money perspective. I'll try to keep on Saturday or Sunday. Tomorrow we have a class. Tomorrow we have class. Saturday you don't have morning class, but you have a evening class. Yeah, Motukuri, how to behave in the company, all these things I discussed in the initial days, and at the end of the sessions, towards last sessions also I will talk it. Okay. Java real-time project. Yeah, here is my mini project one. Here is my mini project one. File upload. Guys, you have to complete mini project on your own at any cost. I am not going to give any exception for that. I'm very serious on it. If needed, we'll connect one day, Saturday or Sunday. I will let you know. I will sit, I will take your screen, I will solve the problem. But you have to solve it. Thank you, guys. Okay, one more thing I said. This Saturday, Sunday, you have common topics meeting ID without any password. Common topics meeting ID without any password. Is there any possibility of giving public message for all students? Not there, it seems. Java real-time project. Yeah, where is this? Course intro. No, 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 no. Where we are keeping common documents, docs and videos. Here I am keeping something called docs. No, Facebook means it old students also will come, Rama. No, only for current batch students. Only for current batch students I want to give. Yeah. ID for common topics. ID for common topics. Paste it. Yeah, no password, guys. No password. Zoom ID for common topics. Note. Session 1. Session 1. How to interact with multiple SQL DBs at a time using Spring Data JPA. Okay, Spring Data JPA. It's not topic session 1, it is a topic 1. It's a topic. Tell me, session 1. What is the time, guys? Can you tell me? Session 1. Okay, Saturday. Saturday means what? June 15th. June 15th, 8:30 p.m. IST. Session 2. Okay. Yeah, whoever saying companies are not using Spring Data JPA, please check your basics. Please check your basics, my dear. Please, companies are not using Spring Data JPA. I think you are giving that statement with over excitement. Please. June 16th, guys. 6 p.m. IST. Okay. 6 p.m. Is morning, early morning? Okay, I will make it 6:30 p.m. I'll make it 6:30 p.m. Yeah. Are for both days, same link, Babu. Great people, guys. Great people, great questioning. Okay. Very common topics. Everyone got it? Okay, I'm also pasting in the chat box. Please take it. I'm also pasting in the chat box. Please take it. It's a PM. It's a PM. It's a PM only. Thank you. Have a nice time. We'll meet tomorrow. Santanu Patnaik, you want to meet you in, yeah. I'm coming to Naresh Reddy, guys. You can come on weekend. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. We'll meet later. We'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a session.